Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sam. I'm a loan officer here in the state of Florida, and I got a good one for you today. This is a property that was completely renovated in the Tampa, Florida area. It's asking $320K. I know the investor that actually renovated this property, and before he got it, this place was a mess. It was messy. It was a complete gut job, and he transformed it into something really beautiful. I think this would be great for first-time home buyers or even first-time investors. It's on a quiet neighborhood, really nice area, close to parks, close to good schools. Let me take you through some of these photos. Now, this is a 3-2 ranch. It's just short of 1,200 square feet. And let me just show you some of the transformation that he has done. If I can, I'll probably put in some of what it looked like before he did this transformation. But you can see in the front here, this is the front of the house. So it's a nice frontage here. You got a little carport area to cover your car. So if you have a car, you can, have it covered and protected. So look at this kitchen, guys. This kitchen is mad. Whew. You got nice wood vinyl floors. Look at that nice long kitchen island, all stainless steel appliances. He put the nice pendant chandelier pendants there. Adds a nice touch. And as you go into the back, you got that nice sunroom there. You can kind of transform that into nice little backyard sitting area. And this whole property is fenced. So you got some privacy from your neighbors. And you can do a lot of things back there. You can have one of those fire grills or those fire pits and have some company over and just kick it back there. So yeah, this is the kitchen that was completely remodeled. If you guys saw what this kitchen looked like before, I mean, it looked like trash, and it now just looks really beautiful. And that's where people like to gather. They like to gather around the kitchen. This is the main area here, the foyer. And as you can see, it's nice, it's spacious, open floor plan. This is part of the master bedroom. And here there's the barn door that leads into the master bathroom. You got the nice his and her vanities, his and her mirrors right there. Nice shower, beautiful fixtures here, matte black fixtures. And this is the second bathroom here. You have the nice vanity over here. And these are some of the bedrooms. So this is a great property for someone that's starting out or even an investor that's looking to rent, right? So what would the financing look like for something like this? So we're going to head over to what's my payment. And I love this calculator because it kind of gives you a breakdown of what your payments will look like. So let's just say you went conventional on this property. You have a list price of $320. And with the conventional loans, if you qualify, they have 1% down payments. So if you qualify, you can put 1% down on a conventional loan. So that would bring your down payment at $3,200 at today's interest rate. So interest rates are fluctuating. They can be as high as 7.3, 7.4. It just depends. And there's a lot of factors that come into play when it comes to your interest rate, like your debt to income ratio, your ability to repay. But let's just say for the sake of this case, we're saying that interest rates are at 7%, right? Just so you have an idea. So at 7%, you're putting $3,200 down, 30-year fixed, property taxes are $5,600. Insurance in that area is roughly about $3,200 to $3,500. So we're going to say $3,200. And because you're putting less than 20% down, you have to pay PMI. So PMI, it doesn't get calculated in this formula, but just keep in mind that you will have to pay PMI if you don't put more than 20% down. And we're going to go with the average credit score of most Americans is roughly around 660 to 679. Now, if you have higher than this, obviously your payments will probably be less and your interest rate will probably be less as well. So with all that said, on a conventional loan, 1% down, your payments are looking like $2,848. And that's with property taxes, homeowners insurance, but we did not include PMI, so it can look different with the PMI, right? So $2,848 if you go conventional. Now let's say if you went FHA. So if you went FHA, you're putting down 3.5%, so that's $11,200. All things being the same, property tax, homeowners insurance. Now because you're getting an FHA loan, there is mortgage insurance premium that you have to pay every month, and that's added into your payment. So your payment comes to $2,972. Now let's just say you're a veteran, you served our country, thank you for your service. But if you're a veteran and you wanted to live in this property, now as a veteran, you can put zero down. You don't have to put anything down as a veteran if you get a VA loan. So with this VA loan, you don't have to put anything down, but there is a VA funding fee that has to be calculated. So once the VA funding fee is calculated, then your payment will look closer to this $2,869. So these are your options. These are your finance options for taking down a property like this. Like I said, it was nicely renovated. It's a great home in a great neighborhood. The contact information for the realtor is in the description. If you guys have any questions about financing or, how to get pre-approved for a property like this, definitely leave them in the comment section. I'll be sure to help you out. Or you can just reach out to your lender and have your lender reach out to the real estate listing agent on this property. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.